Good day, my fellow investors. I saw a bit of news recently regarding a business leader who I have a healthy dose of respect for. Now, I'm sure most of you would have heard the news by now, but for those who are not aware, I'm going to make the announcement here. Big moves happened recently at Scotiabank, and today we're going to dive into a major development within the Caribbean financial landscape. Anya Schnoor, a name synonymous with excellence at Scotiabank, has officially retired from the board of directors of Scotia Group Jamaica. Now, if you know Anya, she has been a cornerstone of the Scotiabank family for over 30 years. She climbed the corporate ladder from local leadership in Jamaica to eventually overseeing massive operations across the Caribbean, Central America, and Uruguay. During her tenure on the Jamaican board, she was instrumental in navigating the bank through periods of intense digital transformation. Her leadership helped solidify Scotia's position as a market leader, so her departure from the local board naturally leaves a significant seat to fill. But don't worry, she's not going far. So what exactly is the next move? Anya is doubling down on her global executive role. By stepping away from the local board in Jamaica, she is freeing up the necessary bandwidth to focus entirely on her responsibilities as Executive Vice President at the Scotiabank headquarters in Toronto. This is not a step back. It's a massive step up in the global arena. Anya will now be focusing on the bank's broader international strategy. She is tasked with looking at the big picture, how Scotiabank operates across dozens of countries, ensuring that the entire Caribbean and Latin American region remains competitive. In short, she's moving from managing a vital part of the engine to help steering the entire ship. Now, this move is also a strategic one for Scotia Group Jamaica. It allows for fresh perspectives to join the local board, while still having one of our most experienced leaders advocating for our region from the very top in Canada. Anya Schnoor's career has always been a blueprint for aspiring professionals in the region. She has consistently broken glass ceilings and proved that leadership from the Caribbean can resonate on a world stage. Her next move is a testament to that legacy. Here at Money Talk JA, we want to wish Anya the very best in this next chapter of her storied career. We have no doubt that her influence will continue to be felt right here in Jamaica and across the entire international banking community. What are your thoughts on this leadership transition? Do you think we'll see more Caribbean leaders taking on these massive global roles? Let's get a conversation going in the comments below. If you found this update helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more deep dives into the business moves that are shaping our future. Thanks for watching, and click the link on screen now to watch another Jamaican financial content. Catch you in the next video.